To keep your home or business secure as possible, give each system user a unique user code. To begin creating a user code, log into the mobile app. Tap the menu icon, followed by Users. Tap the plus sign to add a new user. Enter the user's first and last name. And then tap Create. Next, tap the Access Code field and enter a unique 4-digit code. Next, choose which devices the user should have access to. You can grant access to any security panels and/or locks on the account. Review all the information for accuracy, then tap Save. The user code will now be saved in the panels and locks the user has been granted access to. If you would like to customize the access period, tap Time to restrict access to certain times or create a user code that expires at a future date. Finally, if you would like the user to receive notifications from the system, you can enter a phone number and email address in the contact information fields.